Hey everyone, it's Tristen, and I was not planning on making a video today, but I ended up coming out here to show houses at this new home community called Citro by Tri Pointe Homes. They're very modern. It's a very unique style of living. As you can see behind me, they are starting to be built, and there is a resale one here that I'm gonna show that I wanna take you guys on a tour of. So this will be a little bit longer of a video because I really wanna dive in a little deep into this community and tell you about it. So if you're interested, please call or text me and I'll get you out here to find out more information. This community is right between Fallbrook and Temecula, technically in Fallbrook, but it is pretty close to Temecula. There are no stores out here. Citro does not have their pool built, and their HOA is running $295, although they do expect that to go down. There is Melrose here, and this is going to be kind of an agriculture, modern way of living. So let's come in and explore. So this is the single family resale house. That means that these people purchased this home and actually plan one. The upgrades are already in, the front landscaping is in, and it has about $150,000 of upgrades. The paint has not been done. That's just how a new home comes, is white walls, but they have upgraded the flooring and the carpeting as well as the stairwells. They've also put in more lighting than normally comes with the house. They upgraded the cabinets. There's a wonderful range in here, as well as a refrigerator and a pantry. The backyard is also already done, and they're asking $800,000 flat for this house. So that means they got this house for a pretty good deal, because the other models that are selling for closer to $900 right now. This home features a really nice bonus room here, and it has really nice views of the mountains nearby. There will be a park here, as well as swimming pools. And so this is gonna be a great thing for us to compare once we go to the model homes, so you can see what the different furniture and custom paint and everything looks like. So upstairs laundry. Then we have 2 bedrooms featured here. Okay, you have your master bedroom here, and just a nice closet. You have 2 really large closets in here. So there's our closet here, and then a secondary closet. And then this home has it's a good size bedroom. You could definitely get a king size, plus you have the view of the hill. And then the bathroom is pretty basic. They did not spend a lot of upgrades here. They just upgraded the tile floors and left it with the 2 sinks and the very basic shower. Again, this home is selling for $800,000. We are in the Plan 3 of Avo at Citro in Fallbrook, and it is really beautifully upgraded. It does not come like this, as most of the time. You do have the pantry. It does not come with the refrigerator unless you upgrade it. This is the color of the granite, and then the cabinets that do come are white. To upgrade the flooring, you're looking at probably about $75,000. Otherwise, it's gonna come with regular carpet. These floors are stunning. Some of my favorite kind of floors, for sure. I'm really loving this warm looking kind of laminate flooring that we're doing. And then this house has a bonus room, which is really nice. And here you're gonna have your secondary bedroom, secondary bathroom. All are reasonably sized. You have a washer dryer. There is no sink in here, and the washer and dryer does not come with this house. Okay guys, so come on in. Let's take a look at the rest of this house. In the master bedroom, as you can see, and this one has a walkout balcony. This is the Plan 3. So come on in, let's take a look at the master. Loving this balcony, especially with this view over that oversized lot. That's really amazing. And this is a highly upgraded shower. I think just the shower here alone is probably 25 or 30,000. It does come with the 2 sinks and probably the standard quartz, maybe an upgrade. Obviously the closet is an upgrade as well. And then you have a separate little poopy room, which is always good to have. They have no carpet throughout, so again, probably about $50,000 to $75,000 for that. So if you want to take a tour of this with me, please hit the buttons below and you can contact me to schedule a tour of these really beautiful homes out in Fallbrook, just south of Temecula. The starting price is around $790,000 and goes up from there depending on the upgrades that you choose. This is the plan 3, and you can see that most of these homes are being built and are already taking occupation. When you buy one of these new homes, you do need to be responsible for the landscaping that comes in the front yard as well as the back. So I'm gonna walk you guys in. So here's how it comes when you get it with no landscaping. It's a very large air conditioner, and it looks like some people have started the landscaping process here, but it comes completely bare, I would say. So that's something to consider if you are buying a brand new home, is that you do need to landscape the backyard. And that can cost you anywhere between $25,000 at the very minimum, all the way up to $150,000, depending on what you want to add.